Well, I am making this video to let people know how dissatisfied my family is with this Samsung front door refrigerator. Now, the actual refrigerator my family likes, but the thing that is very disappointing about this brand new refrigerator is that the compressor is making a hum sound. Now I'm filming this through my iPhone, and I'm not sure how well this hum is coming through, but I can definitely tell you that there's been quite a few nights that this hum that this refrigerator makes has woken me up in the middle of the night. So it's very loud. And the thing of it is, because we live in the country, when we called Samsung, they told us that there is no repairman that they could send out to us. And what they were going to do was take this one away and give us a new one. Well, my family decided that, well, if they don't have a repairman in our area, probably the best thing to do is get a new brand front store refrigerator that we know that there's some repairmen around here that is able to fix and repair if anything goes wrong on that other particular refrigerator that we're gonna get, which is a GE. So I just want to making this video so that people know about this issue. I'm sure that if you live down in the city, there is a repairman close by, but here up in the countryside, there's no one. So if you're living in the country and you're thinking about getting a Samsung, don't.